The sound that woke the neighbors up at Silverwood's estate on Valentine's Day last year. The result, the death of a much-loved model. But a few minutes earlier, this is what neighbors claim they heard.
The screams that I heard before, just before the gunshots, it was blood-curdling. It was something that leaves you cold. It's something you can't portray in the court. You can't explain it. You just know that woman's life was really threatened.
Pistorius' immediate neighbors heard something else as well.
I heard a man crying. And to me, the cry, my lady, it was a cry of pain.
Then there were claims by state expert witnesses that the athlete shot at a cowering Steenkamp who had been hiding from an enraged Pistorius following an argument. This too was disputed.
Hand comes up while falling down. One shot struck her on the finger, hit point E at the tile.
On the stand, Pistorius finally related his story, but was branded a liar.
I didn't fight to kill anyone, my lady.
Or to ward off an attack.
My lady, I didn't have time to think. I heard this noise and I thought it was somebody coming out to attack me, so I fired my firearm.
Your defense have now changed, sir.
He was also painted as a gun lover, prone to violent outbursts. But perhaps a trump card for the defense, Oscar Pistorius' vulnerability, his disability.
On his stumps in a dangerous situation, his ability of fleeing is severely impaired and his ability to ward off danger is severely impaired.
But it was Judge Thokozile Masipa that will ultimately decide the athlete's fate. The court believed Pistorius' story.
On count 1, murder read with section 51(1) of the Criminal Law Amendment Act 105 of 1997, the accused is found not guilty and is discharged. Instead, he is found guilty of culpable homicide.
After a 6-month marathon trial, it's now come to this, the last leg of this much publicized case, the final showdown between the state and the defense. Pistorius' lawyers will now try to convince the court that he should not get a lengthy jail term. Again, the spotlight firmly on Judge Thokozile Masipa as she makes her final ruling. MANQOBA, MCHUNU, SABC News at the North Gauteng High Court.